The entire northern continental United States, Canada, Russia, Alaska, and northern Europe are currently subject to a large-scale invasion by a yet unidentified species. The following broadcast will contain the information necessary for your survival. The information will be displayed momentarily. This broadcast will now detail the situation and how to survive. The invasive species in question all resemble humans in winter clothing, wearing an animal skull as a mask, and their arms are tipped with long claws. These creatures appear in various forms and can be wearing any type of animal skull. But do not be tricked, the mask is not mask, they are the creature's real face. This species is carnivorous, predator, extremely hostile, highly intelligent, strong, durable, and agile. They will attack often at night. In conditions where vision is greatly limited, like fog and snowstorms. Most often, they will attempt to break into your home during the night, so you must barricade any windows, lock all doors, and arm yourselves. And means of access must be sealed and reinforced. Do not attempt to reason with or communicate with the creatures. They do not care and see you as no more than prey. If you are attacked, it is recommended that you defend yourself with a heavy firearm, such as a solid slug shotgun, as regular blunt force knives. And small arms fire will not injure the creatures. If anything, this will only anger them. During the day, while not under attack, stock up on supplies, like food, water, and ammunition. This message will repeat in 10 seconds.
Found you.